morning to sir and to all my friends. It's Sarika Tiwari here. I belong at Kamlakhe and I'm pursuing my graduation from Rajabhaiya University. I have completed my 10 plus 2 from UP Board Allahabad and nowadays I'm pursuing speaking from Global Skills Computer Academy. Today is the activity day and activities topic is so marvelous, that is chart activity, and my craft is this. There is very wonderful quotation I mentioned on my chart, and that is things and but memories last forever. Means things can be ends, we can't save it, but we can save more and more memories in our IQ. So make your day, make your memories best. Do something new today, then you will remember your past in your future, because minimum maximum we are remember our past, we are remember our faults. So without remember your faults, make your day best, do something new, and remember that things and get happy in your future. Thank you so much.